Good morning, my dear student. Today, I will teach you the lecture of 4th class science chapter number 2, day 2, that is adaptations for survival in plants. Already in our last class, we will discuss what is adaptations, next habitat of plants, and different types of habitat of plants are terrestrial plant and aquatic plants. So once again I repeated them. What is adaptation? Plants have developed different features in order to live or survive in different places, but some of plant are some special features that an organism to live in particular area are known as adaptations. Same as habitat of plant, the region where a living things lives or grows naturally or automatically in presence of a is called habitat. So habitat is two types: terrestrial plants, aquatic plants. Plants that grow on land are known as terrestrial plant. If plants grow in water are called aquatic plants. Today we will discuss totally about what is terrestrial plant and discuss fulfill about terrestrial plant. Terrestrial plants can be further divided into different types of based on their adaptation to particular area. For example, different types of plants grow in plains, deserts, hills, marshy places, and coastal areas. Firstly, plants adapted to grow in plains. In plains, the plants grow flat surface of the earth. Trees have several branches and leaves. Many of these plants grow in warmer climate of the plains and shed most of their leaves in autumn season and bear new leaves in spring season. Example of neem, pipal, mango, etc. grow in plants. Next one, plants adapted to grow in deserts. Desert is a place with hot weather, very little water and scanty rainfall. Plants growing in this place are called desert plants. As we know that water is scarce in desert, these plants are adapted to survive with least amount of water. In such plant, the leaves are either reduced to spines or are absent. The stem is green and performs photosynthesis and also stores food and water for the plant. Such plants have long root system that go deep into the ground to absorb the water. For example, cactus, bubble, kikar, date palm, etc. are grow in deserts. Next one, plants adapted to grow on hills. Trees like fir, pine are grow in hilly areas and on mountains. The climate in such places is cold and snowfall is frequently. Therefore, the trees are tall, straight and concealed to allow snow to slide down easily. That is, the trees are tall, so whenever snow fall, it allows the slide down easily. Their leaves and wax are needle-like, so that they lose minimum amount of water and shed snow without difficulty. Plants adapted to grow in marshy places. The place where the soil is very clayey and sticky is called marshy areas, and the plants growing there are marshy plants. Major problem for the growth of plants here is oxygen, which cannot reach the root of the plants. To overcome this problem, plants have here the breathing roots of absorb air. Mangrove tree is the most common example of the plant growing in marshy areas. And the last one, plants adapted to grow in coastal areas. In coastal areas have hot and wet climate. Trees growing in these areas are adapted to grow in the presence of salty water. Plants like coconut, teak and rubber grow very well here. These trees growing in these areas are adapted to grow in the presence of salty water. So they have plenty of leaves and do not shed their leaves throughout the year. These are the terrestrial plants. I hope you understood, student, in your last class what is aquatic plants and different types of aquatic plants. I'll discuss you. Okay, student? Thank you.